Hey gang, RV Jerry here. Today I'm going to be doing a switch some fluorescent bulbs and these lights overhead in the big motorhome and replacing them with strips of LED. So let me turn the camera on the lights and show you what we have here. Okay. If you've watched my other video, I've replaced all of these light fixtures in here. Well, not the light fixtures, but the lights inside there, the bulbs with LEDs. But I never did do these two that are up overhead. This one is off. So I kind of wanted to get a little brighter. They're very dull, so I have a lux meter here to measure them, and here's what we have. Okay, I have this on 2000, and this is on, and this is what the meter's reading after probably 5-10 minutes. 200 or 201, 202 lux. Okay, I wanted one more reading, and that was the amperage draw of these lights. It's okay, let's see, we got it there. 2.6, yeah, 2.6 amps. Okay, we're gonna do the same test after we get the LEDs on. Okay, this is our light fixture. We can take our bulbs out. Set them to the side. Our LED strips comes in rows like this. This is a 5 meter. That's 16.2 feet. Comes with some instructions. And this is what we have at one end of the strip, and at the other end of the strip it's just plain, and it's coated with some kind of probably some kind of plastic coating. So I stripped a little bit off at the end here, and I'm gonna use one of these. They come in a pack of 10 like this. I think there's 10 in there. And it has a reading here that says positive and negative. So I'm going to connect it like that. I had to move my operation to my bench in my garage, make it a little more comfortable, and I've decided to add a third row. So here's how we did it. Here's how I did it. Okay, the little ends go on the strips, and then the stickiness doesn't really didn't really stick them up there, so I'm glad I bought that little bag of I don't know what you want to call them, retainers. So we'll go across here. Okay, I got all of those little goodies mounted. Now I'm going to tie those wires together. Okay, got those two connected, ground to ground, positive, positive. And here's our light. And we're going to check the amperage draw since I added another row. Let's see what we got here. This should be wake up. Can't get my meter to wake up here. There we go. And the draw, 1.57. Still lower than the other tubes. Okay, the second one is ready to go. This one went a lot smoother. And if anybody's wondering how I'm connecting that switch, it's just a positive. I've got the positive, that positive lead right there is going into one side of the switch, and the other side of the switch is going to the positive wires off of the strips. And then the negative ones coming off of the strip are joined together right here in this wire clamp, and it's going I like to keep these identified as negative and positive. They do have to be negative and positive, so up here my brown one is positive, the black one is negative. Let me get those up there and see what they look like. Okay, there you go, both of them are on. That's a lot of luxes, I imagine. 335 from here. Let's see what is it if I move it over. Well, I'm gonna have that right there like that. Getting a little help from that one. Got 290. About the same as if it was under this one. That is super. I really love those. Oh, this is a lux test. There's our lamp, and here's our lux meter, and this is measured exactly 1 meter from here to here. So we have exactly 1 meter, and the lux is 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you want it to be, it looks like. So Okay, this is RV Jerry, and that's my fix for these fluorescent. The fluorescent bulbs, so they've been replaced. I was wondering what I was going to do with those, and thanks to that IRV2 forum, they gave me the suggestions, and I put it to work. They also gave me the links there. I give them the credit for that, and I will put the links in my description. So look in the description for the links if you want to do that fix. Okay, thanks for watching. This is RV Jerry.